we have all our stuff back there, and there's enough space for Marvel. His bed is also over here, and it's a beautiful weather for a drive. So it's a 10-hour drive straight. Let me show you the map. So you can see it's 728 miles, and it's gonna take us 10 hours, and it's a straight road to North Carolina. And look how beautiful the weather is. And we have also packed our food. I'm gonna show you what we packed once we start eating it, but it's not gonna be now. It's the time is 6 o'clock, so we're gonna eat it around 8:30 or whatever, whenever we feel hungry. So that is when I'm gonna show you what we packed, and let us know whether you guys guessed what we packed for our food, and also comment what your favorite travel food is to carry. So yeah, we don't have anything much going on because we're just sitting and we're driving. So yeah, nothing much going on.
Yep, but whenever we'll take a stop or do something, we'll definitely show you guys where we are stopping, what we are doing, how we're driving.
So this vlog is gonna go overnight. So overnight, you guys are gonna travel with us, and we'll show you everything. Not everything.
It's gonna be like our first overnight vlog.
Yeah, first overnight vlog. And it started raining. I showed you guys the weather just now. It was so nice and pretty, and look, it started raining. This is Florida. It happens. Anyways, let's go. Okay guys, so we have already started eating because it's road trip and we don't want to stay hungry. Okay, and he is eating it right now.
Almost gone.
Yeah, so this is the second roll. So let me show you. We got this aloo ki sabzi. This is called safar ke aloo, like travel potatoes. But they're very simple, cooked with onion, green chili, little bit of spices, boiled potatoes, and that's it. And these are puri. So this is what we love to carry when we travel. It's so delicious, this combination. And then we have our ice, sparkling ice, the one we were telling you about. And this is an orange mango flavor. This is again so good. And this is our little food basket.
Only thing we don't have right now, I guess, is chips. Otherwise, we always carry some chips and sandwiches.
Yeah, and this time we forgot to get chips. But when we stop for gas, we'll refill it. We'll buy it. But this is our baby bag of food. You can see those two spicy noodles. These are you're gonna see a video coming up very soon for this. So I'm not gonna tell you now for what I'm carrying this. And then I have the bounty, and again some ice. That's it. And Marvel is all settled in. He's sitting on his bed and watching outside. Yes, are you enjoying? Yes, he is. So anyways, let's carry on. Okay guys, so we just stopped in one of the rest areas, gave Marvel a walk, gave him some water, and then used the restroom ourselves. And Mayank has gone to use the restroom right now. So it's the best thing that the restrooms are so nice, the rest areas are so nice. You have a place for your dog to walk, freshen up and all that stuff. So let me show you how it is. So you can see that area is for the trucks, and this area is for the car, and these are for the areas for the dog. You can see the sign over there, and then it's like this. Mayank is coming from there, and here is Marvel watching Mayank. I know it's very dark and he's chocolate brown, so there is Mayank coming. There he is. And we'll stop once again, 2 more times actually, to fill up our tank gas. So there he comes. Ready to go?
Yep.
Are you ready to go, Marvel? Yes, we are. So let's go again. We just stopped at the gas station and filled up our car tank, and then Mayank went inside to get some coffee, and I got some chips. So this is Lay's salt and vinegar. This is like one of my favorite flavors. It's like so good. If you guys haven't tried this, do try it. And then we got kettle cooked jalapeno. Oh my god, another amazing flavor. And then kettle cooked salt and vinegar. So if you haven't tried kettle cooked, these are like baked chips, and they are so tasty than the normal ones like these. But treats. We got one of these, and then again one of my really favorite Cheetos is this flaming hot crunchy. This is so delicious. It's like a spicy and tangy flavor. It's so good. And he just went to get coffee, and I think after this we're gonna stop one more time for gas refill again, and then we're gonna reach at my brother's place. And if you feel like, we'll stop at the rest area once again, and then yep, I was about to make a roll with this again, puri and sabji. So good. Anyway, so far our road trip is going super good. Marvel is also having fun. He's sitting back there, right there, you can see. So he's very comfortable and everything. And yeah, let's wait for my uncle. Coffee is here. They were making fresh beans coffee, so they were brewing actually.
This is dark roast. I got 2 extra sugars, so...
Does it have milk or anything?
I added French vanilla.
Cool. I gave him some treats.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's set it up again. Ready to rock and roll. What's up? Oops. What's up, people? We just entered North Carolina. I'm just opening windows for Marvel so he can see his mommy. There he is, standing over there. So we just entered North Carolina, and we are only an hour and 50 minutes away from Yeshu's place, Nitish's place, Ashley's place, Astro's place. Tanya just wanted to take a leak, so we are stopping here, and let me show you that we are here. Look at this baby here. Look at this baby here. And let me show you. So here we are, and here we are. So we are just taking a quick stop here, and as soon as Tanya comes, so we are taking a quick stop here. As soon as Tanya comes back, we are just gonna head it back. It's an hour and 50 minutes, so we are excited to reach there. So this is our last stop, by the way, and we are full. We kept eating. We talked to our parents because in India it's daytime, so they were like, okay, keep calling us. They kept calling us, so we were chatting with them and all. So let's get back in the car and start driving again. Okay. And by the way, guys, this is him. Mommy is coming. Mommy will come from over there. Okay? Mommy is gonna come from over there. You come here. It's so cold outside. It's 55 degrees outside, and we are coming from Florida, 84 degrees. So, but for last few days the temperature was cooler in Florida as well, but of course not this cool. And I'm so excited to see some fall colors. So that's gonna be amazing. I know there is not much going on to show you guys in the overnight vlog, but yes, we took like 2 stops to gas up the car to put the fuel, and this is our 3rd rest area. So we took 2 rest area stops. This is our 3rd rest area stop. This is gonna be a quick one. We are not taking Marvel out on this one, but on the last 2 we took Marvel out, gave him a nice 10-minute walk with he peed and everything, and we gave him some treats and things like that. So Tanya is coming back, and we are gonna start driving as soon as she's back. Marvel gets all out of control. He thinks, where's mommy? Where's mommy? There she is. And here he's peeping. See? It's 55 degrees out. So she is back, and now we are gonna see you guys At your shoes place.
Yes, no more stopping. Okay guys, so I am seeing you guys after 24 hours. So we came back yesterday and then we were... Oh, not came back, we just came here. We just came yesterday and then we were resting and then we went to meet his friends. We had a like tiny a baby house party. We had so much of fun. We came so late night and we slept. Baby house party, but a very cool one though. And then here they are. And there he is.
So these two.
Yeah, let me show you.
These two are staying over here.
Look at Astro. The last time you guys saw Astro, he was a baby, tiny baby, and look at him now. He's so big.
Astro, look at you. You're on the
and
camera.
there is Marvel, and there he is. There he's leaving today for Atlanta. Yep. So he's gonna leave now.
Sit.
Okay guys, so to bath, Mayank left, and I'm going to end this vlog right now because I can start a new vlog then. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna see you guys in my next vlog. So till then, bye bye. See ya. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.